going to cover how to make turns as a beginner driver. Making turns may seem simple, but there are important steps and techniques that you need to master to do it safely and correctly. So with that being said, let's get started right away and jump into the basics of making turns. The importance of checking your mirrors, signaling, and positioning your car properly on the road. These are essential steps to make sure that you're aware of your surroundings and communicate your intentions to other drivers. Preparation is key when making a turn. First, decide on the direction that you want to turn. Whether it's left or right, you need to know. Once you do, and you know where you're going, check your mirrors to see if there are any vehicles nearby. If it is safe, signal your intention to turn. Make sure to signal at least 100 feet before the turn. This gives other drivers enough time to react. Now, next would be positioning your car correctly. For a right turn, move your car closer to the right side of the lane, but stay within your lane. For a left turn, move towards the center of the lane or into the left turn lane if there is one. Always be mindful of the road markings and stay within the lines. Now, before entering the turn, I need you to realize that you need to reduce your speed. Slow down gradually to a safe turning speed. You should be able to go slow enough to make a smooth turn without losing control of your vehicle, but not so slow that you disrupt the flow of traffic. So keep that in mind. Now, making the turn. So as you approach the intersection or the point where you need to turn, make sure that you're looking in the direction of the turn. This helps you anticipate any obstacles or other vehicles that are around you and make sure that it is safe. Now, turn the steering wheel smoothly in the direction that you want to go. For a right turn, turn the wheel to the right. And for a left turn, to the left. Keep your hands steady and avoid oversteering. After you've made your turn, it's important to smoothly transition back to driving straight. Begin by gradually straightening the steering wheel as your vehicle aligns with the road ahead. Keep an eye on your mirrors to make sure that you're in the correct lane. Whether it's the right lane after a right turn or the appropriate lane after a left turn. Be mindful of your surroundings. Check for pedestrians, cyclists, or any obstacles that might require you to adjust your speed or direction slightly. Once you're sure everything is clear, gently accelerate to match the speed of the traffic around you. Remember, it's not about making the turn, but also about integrating back into the flow of traffic safely and correctly. Now let's talk about common mistakes to avoid. So let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when making turns. One of the most frequent mistakes is forgetting to signal or signaling too late, which can confuse other drivers and lead to dangerous situations. Another common mistake is turning too early or too late. Both can cause your vehicle to either cut the corner too sharply or swing too wide, which can be hazardous, especially in tight spaces or busy intersections. Additionally, turning too quickly can cause your vehicle to lose traction, especially in wet or slippery conditions. While turning too slowly can disrupt the flow of traffic and increase the risk of rear-end collisions. Always aim for a smooth, controlled turn at a steady pace. Practicing these turns in a safe, low-traffic area can indeed help you build confidence and muscle memory. Remember, practicing is essential. It's very important. And for you to do so daily makes a big difference. As well for your confidence, because once you build that confidence because you have practiced enough, trust me, you will feel different when it comes to driving, and especially on road test day, which a lot of people find very nerve-wracking. I mean, feeling confident, you will just get everything right and you'll be prepared and you'll be ready to pass that driver's examination like really quick. First try. So remember, practice, 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 because it is key in all of this. I can be teaching you guys all of these things, but if you don't practice, it's nothing. That's it for today's lesson. on making turns, remember, mastering turns is not just about following the steps, it's about developing the awareness as well as the control needed to execute them smoothly in the real world situations. So take your time to practice these techniques every day regularly, as it will help you become more confident, like I said, and a skilled driver. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Driving TV for more beginner driving tutorials and tips that might help you be a better driver and get your driver's license. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't ever miss an update and a bunch of videos that I will be uploading daily. So keep that in mind. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. With that being said, I want to thank all of you for watching. As always, I want to wish you guys safe driving and congratulations to all those people who have passed their driver's examination and have left comments letting me know how helpful my videos were. Thank you, congratulations, and I can only hope that all of you guys who are watching have the same experience. Have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.